Welcome to Hanoi. Okay, we are in Giang Tiền Street, one of the 11 or 12 walking street of Hanoi. It is only about 5:30 and the street's closed and people are out. We're supposed to go here to get some dinner, not realising the street's closed, so parked up over there, 20,000, and walking over to the restaurant. And then we'll show you the other streets a bit later on after dinner. Let's go. So it's quite busy. Our dinner spot is about 80 metres up. Hello. Welcome to Hanoi. It becomes a hustle bustle at night. Everybody's out. And along here is all the fancy, expensive brands. There's Boss Hugo and LV on the corner where we came in. There's Monkey Magic, the Monkey King. There's Marc Jacobs. This is Hanoi's version of District 1 in Saigon. And it looks like it's about to rain, so hopefully we don't get caught out. Everyone will scatter quick. Go get some dinner first and see how we go. There's a McDonald's. Oh, there's a band and they're all visually impaired. So, all band members are all visually impaired. Next to the guitar is a traditional instrument. Couple of traditional instruments there. I got the drone. Flying past And they're doing a police parade. Some sort of show, parade from the cops. Police, let's see. That's it. It's a traffic police there. And I thought they were going to do a parade, but they just stopped. This lady here in the blue dress, she's playing the traditional instrument. And the other one on the way in the white next to the singer. Jesse is craving cheese again, so we're having pizza. And this place apparently rated as a top pizza in Hanoi, and it's by foreigners too. And they said it's one of the best pizzas they've had anywhere. So let's test it out and see. We ordered a prawns with asparagus and cheese.
I got kebab pizza.
And what's it called? Fettuccine. I ordered, and Josie wanted a spicy kebab beef pizza, wood fire. Prawns with asparagus and cheese and mushrooms, fettuccine. Let's taste it. Spicy beef kebab pizza. Let's have a taste. Baked potatoes with beef cheese fondue. Potato and cheese. Hit Josie's cravings, two at once.
Not bad.
Yummy? Being in Vietnam for so long, and we still have more time to go, you do crave a little bit of comfort food. Potatoes, cheese, steak. Hanoi's famous Hồ Hoài Kiếm, known as the Lake of the Returned Sword. There is a history to it and a story. Right in the middle of the lake, you can see the tower sort of lit up there. If you can see the orange light there, is where supposedly the turtle in the story came out from. And yeah, if you're interested in a bit of history on it, you can Google it up. You come to Hanoi, suppose you have to come here and take some photos and videos. It is a historic, cultural site with a really interesting story of how the king defeated enemies. This is pretty much Hanoi's CBD, and this is part of one of the few 11, 12, 13 or something walking streets at night time. So let's go and have a look around. The walking street's only on Saturday and Sunday night, so it gets busy. And here is an interesting one. We have a portrait sketch artist. There's a few of them. They're sketching the little girl. Some talented people. Oh, look at the little girl, she's so cute. But yeah, it's walking street. It's this side, there's not much here, but the one we came from earlier, there's snack foods and fruits, and I think other streets will have it too. It's pretty much the whole main streets in the CBD are closed. Very busy. It feels like half of the city are out. There's that glittering tower in the middle there. I don't know, you can see it with the orange light. It's a big lake. Some beautiful old trees there. One's leaning over. We had a police parade earlier. I don't know if you can see, but look at this tree. It must be close to 100 years old or more. It's leaned over, but they've kept it as part of the lake's history. And that one as well. It's leaned over and died, yeah, but they haven't chopped it off. This is all different stands and advertising from different companies. And lots of music, as you can hear in the background. There's some street foods there. Sausage grilled on stones is a popular snack, apparently. Oh, that's where everyone's heading, up the stage there. There's some performance or something ahead of us where the lights are flashing there. That's why everyone's heading over there. And it's a lot of walking. See all the laser lights in front of us. We've just been walking around the length of the lake. It's quite nice during the day if you come to the lake. It's like a park. We haven't gone around the lake yet. It's quite big. Like over 2 kilometres. Like 2 kilometre walk? The lake. Yeah. Yeah, around 2 kilometres walk around the lake, so all the way around. That's where everyone's heading. This seems to be the popular snack, sausage grill on stones. This is part of the lake.
Mang tên Bắc Việt Lâu, nghĩa là lầu đường trăng.
Quick, we said 6 o'clock. Sit anywhere, get a spot. It's 6 o'clock, but it's not early,
How
yeah?
many people, sir?
Just 2.
Yeah.
Hanoi train street. Right in the middle, waiting for the train. I suppose, because we already here, we might as well do one. Coffee is 70,000 just to sit here. Yeah. It's coming from the station in Hanoi. Ready? I have to hold it like this.
Got dragged in pretty quick here.
The train's coming.
Good timing. well, I better look at some prices. What they got here?
I think the better shot is upstairs, but too late. We couldn't get in. It's coming.
Good. Train.
It's not going as fast as it looks in the video. It's a long one. I think it's 11 carriages or something. Next one, 9:30, he said. Hey, gate's already open. We're walking, man. A taxi, no. Oops. No, sit low, thank you. Now the traffic trying to get across.
Yeah, give me the
This is fun.
I have you.
Pan it around. Don't go too fast. You panned it too fast now. We got up and he's like, uh-oh, they didn't order a drink. Traffic. Look at the traffic. Walking straight, babe. Oh no. One of the walking street that's not blocked off. So this is what happens. Navigating through the pedestrians. Navigating through the crowds, pedestrians, cars and bikes. Selling all the merchandise, getting ready for Independence Day, 2nd of September. Oh, Dada. Everything Vietnamese. Hanoi Opera House, straight ahead. This is where you can come and watch the water puppet show. Good experience. And it's a picture. Welcome to Lạng Sơn. We are 125 kilometers away from Cao Bằng. Heading there tomorrow to the biggest, most beautiful waterfall of Vietnam, right on the border of China. Hey, Jersey.
Hello.
And over there, see it? The white hotel right where the camera is pointing is where we're staying, right by the lake. We just had a late lunch. Got in here in the wet. 2:30 we got here and just had a late lunch. Tomorrow is going to be another wet ride. Took us a look. There's some, that's mountain there. There's a sign over there, that mountain. Di tích đất núi Mạc. Phong núi Mạc. Like a national park now. There's something protected. So that mountain peak there. It's nice here. We just went to the local market, had some pho. Wasn't too bad. Tasted more like noodle flavor broth. But overall, it's not bad for a market meal. Yeah, lakeside. This is around the lake. It's some sort of a memorial shrine, and you can donate there. Oh, that donation's for the lake and that. But look at this century, probably be close to century-old tree. It's huge. Very beautiful. Oi. It's a nice park around the lake. Some really old trees because they're so big. It's a nice neighbourhood. We're only about a kilometre and a half from town. It's quite a decent town because there's a Sheraton hotel here. So there's tourists here. We haven't seen anyone where we're staying. We go get some drinks, relax, wind down and rest up for tomorrow. Spider-Man. Oh, he's
a good one,
got
isn't it?
some
Big
sort of
sucker.
food. Can't see. Can you
from this
see?
side.
Can you see the spider hanging there? It's
side.
massive. And can maybe just see it. Oh! He's coming towards me. Hey, did you just throw that toothpick at him?
For taking it.
Oh man. Oh yeah, I can see it from here. There you go. Jersey just threw a toothpick and he just came attacking, defending his nest.
Cobwebs.
He's webbing it around. This one is the name of the park called Philo. And 1933 to 25.